Hi everyone, I'm carrying Zara in my arms. It is Soul Sling, and she's watching the traffic right there. And this is the best position for me to carry her because she's in my arms. I'm gonna pull this side because she's in my arms. She's close to me. She's snug, and she can explore the world. Sorry, I have to look there. She can explore the world, and at the same time, she's in my arms. She knows she's safe. I'm never gonna leave her. It just reminds me of that verse in Isaiah 40:11, I think. It says that he tends the flock and he carries the lambs in his arms and holds them close to his heart. Can you believe that? I mean, the Bible actually says that God tends to you gently and he holds you in his arms like how a shepherd would hold the lambs in his arms. And it also goes on to say that he leads the mother sheep who has a young, so he leads the mother sheep gently. So it's twofold. God is holding her also in his arms, and he's also, gently leading me as a mom, and that feels so good that he's leading me gently so I can lead my baby gently. And reminds me of the verse in John 1, I think, where it says that no one has ever seen the Father, but the one who is in his bosom has declared him, talking about Jesus. You know where Jesus was before he came on this earth? He was in the bosom of the Father. And that's the best place to be, a place of intimacy, a place where you are close to his heart. And I love to be there, love to be close to his heart, to listen to his heartbeat. And that's the best place to be because you're assured you're in his arms. And I just got an accent. You're assured that you're in his arms. And I remember before I went for, let me just make sure you see Zara. I remember before I went for delivery, before I went in for labor, God gave me a picture of me being in his arms. That was a day before. And that's what actually kept me through the delivery, that I was in the arms of my Father. So I hope this year you experience what it is to be in his arms. Thank you. Alright, Zara, can you smile? Nah, she can't, forget it.